series of processes that are used in making this soap. And the soap is just fine for using. It can be used for all purposes, washing hands, bathing. It is very, very important since it is made naturally. It is not used from chemicals, industrial chemicals. It's made natural. So I'll also welcome other presenters to help us now when explaining to us how this soap is made.
Good morning, the guests of honor and other ladies and gentlemen. In front of you, I'm going to tell you how this soap is made. First of all, I'm going to teach you on how to make lemon soap. Lemon soap is made by, we take the lemon and clean the outer layer of the lemon. After cleaning the outer layer of the lemon, we take it and grind it and blend it. After blending it, we obtain a mixture like this, but this is of carrots. After obtaining the mixture, we sieve it and put it into a beaker. After doing that, we cut the soap base. This is the soap base that we have. We cut the soap base into small pieces. After cutting the soap base into small pieces, we put it into a water bottle, whereby it becomes liquid state, homogeneous liquid state. Then after doing that, the mixture which we obtain will mix the two and we'll add a bit of perfume to it so as to get the scent. It's not a bit of So right now we can test it also. You can test it then.
Okay, rasmi ana testi sabuni sasa baada ya kupata maelezo kutoka kwa wanafunzi wa TUSIME. Sabuni inatengenezwa hapa TUSIME. Pata maelezo vizuri. Unaionaje sabuni mgeni rasmi?